3 classic Christmas cookies, 1 simple dough technique, and the most satisfying holiday baking you will do this season. Today I am showing you how to make traditional Linzer cookies, delicate vanilla rolls and coconut cookies. Once you master this kneading technique, you will never go back to using a mixer. First, make the shortbread dough. 400 grams of plain wheat flour, 140 grams of icing sugar, 20 grams of vanilla sugar. Mix the flour and sugar and make a well in the middle. Crack 2 eggs into the well. Mix the eggs with the flour. Cut 250 grams of softened butter. This is not how you do it. This will make a mess in your kitchen. The correct process is to wrap your palms and fingers around the entire pile and knead it into dough. And use your thumbs to work the dry ingredients into the batter. Imagine pressing flour into butter. Sprinkle the dough with flour so that it doesn't stick to the rolling board. Your goal is to have a non-sticky, compact dough. If the dough is too sticky, add a little flour. Put the dough in a bag, label it and let it rest overnight in a cool place. The second dough will be for vanilla rolls. 150 grams of plain flour, 20 grams of vanilla sugar, 50 grams of ground walnuts. Mix the whole mixture and add 1 egg yolk to the well. Mix it with the flour and other ingredients. Cut 100 grams of softened butter. As with the Linzer dough, use your thumbs to work all the dry ingredients into the softened butter. The dough is a little coarser and tends to crumble. If the dough crumbles, add a little butter. If it sticks, add flour. Again, put the dough in a bag, label it, and let it rest overnight in a cool place. The third is the dough for coconut cookies. 200 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of grated coconut, 100 grams of icing sugar, 20 grams of vanilla sugar. Mix and add 1 whole egg to the well. Cut 200 grams of softened butter into small pieces. Again, work the dry ingredients into the butter with your thumbs. Knead into a smooth, non-sticky dough. Mark and place in a bag to rest overnight in a cool place. Bake the cookies the next day. If you are excited to bake with me, hit the subscribe button. I am getting ready to share more holiday recipes with you. Linzer cookies, an absolutely classic tradition that every Christmas table needs, and I will show you the simple way to make them. Cut the shortbread dough into slices. Keep 1 part and refrigerate the rest. Flour the rolling board. Roll out the dough to about 3 mm thick. Cut out the cookies using a cookie cutter. Make a hole in the middle of every other cookie. Add any scraps to a new piece of dough and continue until you have used up all the dough. First, fill a few baking sheets. For the best result, bake the cookies in the order in which you filled the baking sheets. Preheat the oven to 150 Celsius. Bake the cookies into the pink. Keep an eye on them because cookies bake few minutes and suddenly boom, they are burnt. Allow the cookies to cool slightly and place them in a bowl to cool completely. Spread currant jam on the cooled cookies. This year I used rosehip jam. Drop a comment below which of these 3 cookies are you most excited to try first. These vanilla rolls are delicate. The dough is tricky, but that's what makes them so special. Let me show you the secret to working with this crumbly dough. Divide the dough into several pieces. Start with 1 and put the rest in the refrigerator. Roll out the dough to about 5 mm thick. Use a cookie cutter to cut out a vanilla crescent shape and call them vanilla rolls. It couldn't be easier. Be careful, the dough tends to stick, especially to the rolling pin, and the nuts make it tear easily. You also need to be careful not to add too much flour to the dough, it will fall apart. Place the cutout rolls on a baking sheet. Add the rest of the uncut dough to a new piece, roll it out, cut it out, and continue until you have used up all the dough. Bake at 150 Celsius into the pink. After baking, let cool for about 5 minutes. While the rolls are still warm, coat them with a mixture of icing sugar and vanilla sugar. I have about 100 grams of icing sugar and 40 grams of vanilla sugar. Leftover sugar will be used for another baking. If you know someone who loves Christmas baking, share this video with them and help spread the holiday spirit. And finally, coconut cookies. Completely different technique, but just as delicious. The jam fillet center is what makes them irresistible. Coconut cakes are made differently from the previous types. Take a small piece of dough, about a teaspoon, and roll it into a ball. Then shape ball into a flat cake and place it on a baking sheet. When you have filled the baking sheet, take a cooking spoon and make a small dimple in each cookie with the end dipped in flour. Not all the way through and not too shallow. Put a little jam in each dimple. It is best to use a syringe. Bake at 150 Celsius until pink. When they cool down, put them in a box so they will be ready for Christmas. And there you have it, 3 classic Christmas cookies that will make your holiday table absolutely beautiful. Look at this beauty, the Linzer cookies with their jam windows, the powdered vanilla rolls and jam filled coconut cookies. All measurements are in the description below the video. Thanks for baking with me and I will see you in the next adventure.